The top bottom right, ex Samsung Pro gamer,
Yes.
now representing Meliora. According to you, the best Protoss in the world? Hurricane.
Hurricane.
Top left,
loser player. EX KT Lurper Pro Gamer. And now play for Titanics.
yeah.
It is Leenock.
Alright.
Blender.
What happened?
We need to fix the camera.
Yeah.
What's the matter?
It's the player
Yeah.
cam. First. Alt tab. Alt tab. Where's?
We're fixing the camera, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
You want the chat, right?
I think we alt tab the chat on.
No, there you go. Alright, so what is this? Catch,
Just normal build opening, those guys. Hatch, gas pool, and gateway opening from Protoss.
Is it normal? Put it here?
Yes, it's normal.
Alright. So we see. Protoss making pro. Why he doesn't use Chronos?
It's like it's too early to use the
The Chronos?
yeah. It's too early.
So no meaning?
Yeah, sure.
I see Hurricane already with a mistake.
Which one?
What? Why he has no? This one.
Yeah, there's one more.
But this one should be here, not this.
Yeah, he did really well right now.
Mistake.
His mistake?
Mistake. Alright, he's harassing me with a pro. I heard this is very
Oh,
annoying.
very nice, very nice.
I heard this is very imbalanced. Is it true?
Yes, it's really annoying for zero players.
To deal with this?
Yes.
Yeah. I can imagine.
So I always put one drones to hit the drone because
to
it's
hit
too
it?
annoying. Yeah, because it's too annoying.
But third players say that if you hit the pro with a drone, you lose.
No, it's okay. I think it's better than that.
I think so too. But
Yeah, it's better than that.
they jinjin say, I
Yeah.
can't read.
Oh, FXO Leenock versus FX3 rare.
Oh, yes.
They are FXO.
FXO. Double. So Stargate before Warp Gate.
Yes, it's normal.
That's normal opening?
Yes.
Alright.
Maybe if you play 100 ZVP, maybe 90%.
90%?
Protoss, yeah, 90% Protoss players play it.
Okay.
Just normal.
Normal.
And 2 adepts, just normal.
2 adepts. He's making a second adept. The first one is on the way.
Yeah.
Alright. Here we see the adept.
Yeah, here's the adept.
6 earnings on the way and 2 queen.
Oh, let's go adept. Oh. There's only 2 derbies and 6 more coming out.
The adept is not shooting the draws.
Yeah.
Well, he
Nothing.
didn't take damage, so that's fine, right?
Yeah.
2 more. If this was me with turn, I would kill it. He's gonna cancel this for sure, right?
Yeah.
So he has 2 adepts now. Now they can
Now,
watch.
yeah, they can go through or they can go back. He should choose it.
Okay.
Or is he going through? I think he will not go. Yeah, there's 2 men
2
generals
minutes,
also.
yeah. But now they can watch the drones, right?
Yeah. Now, the Protoss players can find out how many drones, so they can know if it is Alden or not.
Okay. And 3 spores, right? Like
Yeah.
1 spore per base.
You sure?
Normal. Alright. Meanwhile, the Protoss plays.
Oh, Oracle first, is it?
Yes, Oracle first. 2 more. A gateway and 2 more gas.
Yes.
And a
And
Phoenix.
here going to the build robo, I think.
The Phoenix used to kill overlords, right?
Yes, just killing overlords. Oh, Leenock goes rare first. I think it seems like only Hydras or Roaches, I think. But I think it's Hydra. He'll go for Hydra, I think.
Oh. So there's
Oh, nice defense by Midkins.
Takes no damage, only
Yeah,
on
there's
the
no
shield.
damage. There's no shots. Also.
On the shield, okay.
He's going to a Lobo. I think he's going to play a Archon drop.
Yeah. Alright, the devs tried to kill some draws at the turn, but they failed. There was
Yeah.
nothing.
There's Odeps can do nothing. No.
Well, they should have drawn once.
This is especially you're Korean too.
Huh?
You're Korean, they say.
Why?
Because you speak Korean.
Oh! The devs are dying?
What? That's?
Ah,
What are you doing, Hurricane?
he
It's
lost-
too bad for Protoss, yeah.
He lost 2 adepts for a draw.
It's so bad because if Protoss want to take a third base,
Uh-huh.
he needs a depth.
Need
Because of
the
Zerglings, yeah.
Need the depth to
This
take
is
a...
so annoying, so it's very bad.
But maybe it's
Oh, hey! Hurricane did a mistake!
Hey, mistake?
His Twilight is too slow. Too much slow.
He forget?
Yes, I think he forget.
Oh.
Oh my god, Hurricane.
He made gateway
This
before.
mistake shouldn't be. Now look at the gas and minerals.
Oh, yes.
Yes, it's a huge mistake by Hurricane.
Big mistake.
Oh.
And he can take a 4 base because he lost
Oh yes,
2 adepts.
so he makes penalty, but Cedric is gonna die! What? Hurricane! He plays too bad in this game. He cannot take a third base. Also, he cannot draw Archon drop. He cannot do anything.
It looks like the game is over.
Yes, game is already over. I think.
Wow.
Hurricane, so big mistake. There's no Templar Archives still. The Leenock already make a Hydras,
Yeah.
but there's no Templar Archives.
Yeah.
Finally he built it. But Leenock catches it, so he can go through with Hydra because his Archon is so late.
So late.
Yeah.
I cannot believe he forgot it. It's like me forgetting Steam.
Yeah. It's like Terrence forgets Steam and Zerx forget link speed.
You can't forget link speed, that's impossible.
Yeah.
You always make link speed. Always.
Oh.
Oh.
Stitches Lord?
Oh,
He's
so fast.
Is it? Ping.
Some turn is coming.
Yes.
I guess I'm gonna try to deny this turn.
There's army? There's army, yeah.
Yeah.
Can defend it. He's making sentry. It's too bad for Hurricane, I think.
Sentry useless?
Yes, because sentry is... I think just one sentry is good for in the PvZ, but too many sentry is not very helpful in against her. Does he go? Yeah, he's just...
Trying to harass with
Yeah,
the
only on adepts, 2 adepts. It's good choice anyway, because it's too late to do Archon drop, so it's not it's very good choice.
So I already making a
Yeah, Jerg is but very greedy right now, I think.
Who?
Jerg.
This is very greedy?
Yes, because in normal games we can make a lot of draws because of Archons
Yeah.
or something else, or Zealous.
Yeah.
But he make a lot of draws and he's getting a lot of upgrades in the same time, and the force edge is really fast. So
Yeah.
it's
So
a very good game for
Protoss
Zerg, I
getting
think.
Storm
Yeah.
and +1 attack.
Yes.
2 more game with. Oracle's just counting, he used all the 4 base.
But Hurricane is playing really well.
After the opening?
Yeah, after the opening, so
So you think he has a chance
maybe
now?
he can get a chance with a good fight, maybe.
I like this when he's going for the,
Yeah, he's searching everything.
like in case he gets attacked, he can...
Where's his observer? Oh,
He got no observer.
does he have observer?
No.
Oh,
Not even a room.
no, there's no observer.
Yeah, no sir. He's
Oh.
making it more.
Oh,
But
yeah.
this just counts
Oh,
like a...
it's huge. It's huge.
That's huge. That was like his observer, you know?
Yeah. Also, Zerg can Mutalist. Zerg can to switch to Mutalist now, so it's very huge.
Yeah, he can make it. So, but he's not making a strike.
I think Leenock going for hard push now.
Yeah.
How many Templars does he have?
A lot.
Oh, he's making drones. Yeah, just
8 Templars.
that's just pressure. Yeah. Oh, jealous.
Yeah.
Useless, jealous, please.
So we have 12 more turns in production.
Yes, he's running and with pressure.
So that's
Oh,
this is nice.
Yeah, this is nice.
2, 3,
3, 4.
maybe 5. I think 5.
No, 4.
4.
Oh, 4 Nexus, 5 Hurricane? Oh, it's very early, kind of. I think it's a little bit risky, but Leenock is making running, so it is okay, I think.
This is very nice.
Yes.
Just annoying. So here's the Leenock army. It's pretty big army actually.
Yeah, pretty big.
That's 4 Templar here to defend.
Leenock have too much minerals. He's doing nothing, so I think he should lose the minerals and guesses
Mm-hmm.
with a build Spire or something else. Or Banelings, yeah.
Yeah,
He's making Banelings. Okay.
This is the problem. He doesn't
But-
have vision. Like he doesn't
Yeah,
know.
Hurricane has no sight.
Okay,
It's
yeah.
very huge.
Oh,
what nice throws,
nice.
Hurricane!
Nice couple.
So many Durlings style.
Yes. And the Hydras have looked all very good.
Oh, but where's Hurricane's army? He should back, yeah.
They're coming
They should
up.
back. They should
But
back.
there's 2 adepts at the same time.
Oh, it's very good for Hurricane.
Yeah.
He should storm it. Storm to Banelings, please. Force build.
Wow.
Wow, very nice control by
And that's
Hurricane.
they
it's
kill
good.
like 5 drones.
Yeah.
Wow. Very good.
Very
No,
good
I
for
would say
Hurricane.
he's back in the game now, no? Like he can win this game now.
Yeah, he can win now this game. If it's level.
Yeah.
And his second lobo is always done, so
Yeah.
he can get 2 immortals in the same time right now.
Yes.
Oh, and Leenock is going for Hive Inspire. He's going to Brother.
Brother?
Yeah, Brother.
He's trying to kill this
But I
one
think
person.
Leenock is forget plus 2 million upgrade. It's very huge for Zero player because he can kill for one
Oh yeah.
with 1 Bailing.
Yeah.
So it's very huge.
Wow, nice. Nice
He
move.
should remember this.
2 adepts
Oh,
again.
where's to the other coming from? There's
I think he's warping again with you.
Where's Warp Prison then?
No, he's just warping from here. No.
Where's Warp Prison?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just making.
Yeah.
Oh,
This run by gonna be
this
huge.
run by is super good.
Ah.
I think she should lick or not. Oh, please, la!
Oh.
Oh, should make Zillus or
Zillus.
Lico.
There you go.
Oh, he's fighting right there at the same time. Ah, Hurricane.
No,
He didn't focus on the fights. Ah, Templars are died.
Oh my god.
I think game is ended.
This round by was
Yeah,
finished.
but this is
Big mistake. You should use
big piece because
back.
he should have a sight everywhere. Or spread villas or some observer or
Yeah.
phoenix. He should have a sight.
I agree.
And his armies are all done.
He recall and immortal.
Yes, he should. I think he should recall to his the second base. So he's going to bring mistake by Hurricane.
Wow.
I think he cannot hold this.
That would be great.
Okay, maybe GG.
Yes, sir.
Feels bad now.
He was doing great
Yes.
comeback. But
Yeah, he does. He was doing really great comeback, but he failed. GG is called.
Feels bad.
1-0 lead for Leenock now.